All right, so this is version 3. And what I've done is taken and moved one of the solid cones, or solid skirted cones, up as my blast baffle. Unfortunately, it's titanium, so I don't know. I'm kind of hoping this doesn't sound really awesome, because I'd be afraid to leave that titanium baffle there as my blast baffle. But what I've done here is still created a 0.9 spacing from my muzzle brake to the first baffle, but it's a closed blast chamber. And then the second, directly after the first solid cone, I have another 0.6 spacer with a slotted skirt cone, a second slotted skirt cone, and then the ported solid cone. So this is my first coax chamber, and it is ported so it vents back into the main chamber with my third 0.6 spacer. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4 slotted cones for a large coax chamber going all the way to the final cone, which is a solid, and then my little 0.25 distal spacer. So this is version 3, and this setup hopefully will perform pretty well. I could put a port down here in the last solid cone potentially and allow it to vent back into the can. I'm not sure what the pressures will be doing down here and if that'll help or hurt suppression. So that's a possible version 5 mod. I think for version 4, I'm going to take some advice from one of the guys on the forum. Shadow suggested this same exact setup, but swapping the big coax chamber for the small one. And that is an interesting idea, so I'll probably try that today, since I won't have to do any additional drilling or cutting or anything. So yeah, that's basically what I'm looking at for version 3 and version 4. And we'll do a quick swap around here to kind of give you an idea of what version 3 and 4 would look like. So this would be version 4 with the larger coax chamber up here, and then a small coax chamber. I really think if I did this small coax chamber down here, though, that I would want to vent it back into the main chamber. So I don't know, we've got a lot of things to try, and that's the whole fun part about this Form 1 stuff, is seeing how we can make it sound. So anyways, thanks for watching.